Franco, my boy!
Hi, Sir Lino. Good morning po.
Musta ka na, Franco?
Okay naman, sir.
That's good. Actually, excited ako sa meeting natin ha. But before anything else, how's it been with you in the past 3 years here?
It's been great, sir.
Oh, that's good to hear ha. Alam mo, you remind me of myself when I was starting here. Pareho tayo enthusiastic and can easily resolve ng mga concerns ng customer.
Wow, really, sir?
Yeah. I myself had set out my own career path. Well, of course, my boss was there and HR, but mostly I stuck to my plan. I really took heart kung ano ang objective ng company and made sure I am eagle-eyed on that. What we do at the customer service is very important. We are the face and the voice of the company. See how I lead our department? Learn from my example kasi importante yan when you become the new leader.
That's great, sir.
Yeah, I know, di ba? Ano kasi, I really put my heart and soul in what I do. If I want to do something with the department, I would do it. I just don't sit around and wait for something to happen. I did what I had to do. Ganun ako But look naman how it come, How yung outcome ngayon. Before, hindi naman ganito. Kaayos ang customer service, di ba? Tingnan mo ngayon. Ang ganda na ng department natin, So, I want you to be like me, Make a change. Don't be a good leader. Be a great one. Aim for the best. Look at how I did things and emulate me. Believe me when I say this, So, ganito. So, para ma-reach mo yung kung nasan ako, no? Yung magaling na leader, tapos build ka ng team mo. Just like what I did, Gawa ka ng mga mini-mis mo, See how I mentored you? Ganun.
I see. Ganun pala yun.
So, ganun talaga yon. So, I want you to focus on mentoring new joiners and new team members. I need you to show them leadership skills, Leadership. When I say show, ibig sabihin nun, yung may air of confidence, yung may spunk. At the same time, i-guide mo sila on the right path, Look at how you lead them to excellence and nurture them to become good team members, Diba? Working with a great team feels great too, I also think that you have to look at the bigger picture. Kasi ganito yan. Nasa taas ka na So, you have a clearer perspective ng department mo. Ganun yung perspective ko So, ang view ko, di ba, nasa taas ako. Nakikita ko yung nasa baba. Are you getting my point, Franco?
Yes, sir.
Pero sa tingin ko, you need to improve pa more yung mga managing apps. That's going to be the highlight of your experience when you climb up. When you have bigger roles, you have to also pay attention to the bigger people. Di ba dati, nakakausap mo lang yung mga colleagues mo sa ranks, Kasi when you climb up, nakakausap mo rin yung mga VPs, tapos managers, directors, VPs ulit. Tapos syempre, who knows? You might be able to meet the president. Oh, di ba? I am going to give you these opportunities for your growth.
Wow! Exciting!
Di ba? Additionally, I think in the immediate term, ang nakikita ko pa is you need to learn more negotiation, But don't worry about that. I can teach you nego skills like no other. Ako kasi, yan talaga ang strength ko. There is nothing I cannot negotiate my way around. Kahit sino pa yung kausap ko, madali lang yan. And it's really fun to master. quite a good skill to have when you're leading a team. Alam mo na, dyan ka maraming conflicts na haharapin, both from team members and escalated cases. Nakita mo naman na kung paano ka mag-negotiate, di ba? Di ba?
Yes, sir. Ang galing nyo nga eh.
On the surface pa lang yan, Franco. Ha? Wait till you hear me talk to our HR. Ha? And see how I can fast-track your promotion. Mabibilib ka.
I can't wait to learn more from you, sir.
Kaya kapag nagawa ko yan, remember, you will thank me that your career will advance. Yun lang ang key talaga eh, ha? Listen to me. Listen. I'm giving you na my own career plan. Ha? In no time, you will be the new team leader. Oh, there! I said it! Actually, meron pang isang department na gusto ko kunin eh. Project management. But of course, hindi ako pumayag, ha? Ako yung nagtanim, iba ani, ha? I'm sure you'd be in better position here sa customer service. I see you receiving awards. Kaliwat kanan in the industry. Just like me, ha? Pero syempre, I would also need your support din. So I could better help you. Ganun yung mentoring, ha? Support kita, support mo ako. Tag team tayo sa pag-elevate ang department natin to new levels of success. And para ma-meet natin yan, I need you to help me make the department look good. Although, nagawa mo naman niya eh. Kita mo nga. Ikaw na upusuan ko eh, ha? Kasi ikaw tulad kita. Gusto ko, kalingan mo pa. Ikaw ang bahala sa team, ako ang bahala sa iyo sa taas. That's a perfect equation. It wouldn't work kung hindi ganun yung gagawin natin.
Ganun pala yun, sir, no? Now I know how to become a good employee and an effective leader.
Oh, syempre. Yes, Franco, yes. I assure you that's the only way to go up.
I trust you, sir. You have my 100% support.
That's my boy, ha? Ganda ng discussion natin, ha? Oh, all right. I assume you have no questions naman, di ba? Ha? Linaw eh, ha? So I gotta go. Just perform better in the next 6 months and we will talk again, ha? Basta, you're going to owe me one, ha?
Naman, sir. Oo naman po.
All right. So I have to go now, ha, Franco? Bye!
Bye, sir. Ang swerte ko naman sa boss ko. Sana all.